there's way too many new skincare products that keep getting made and sold, and there's too much random shit. He's talking about charcoal on the face.
Yeah.
Why the hell do you have to put charcoal on your face?
तंदूरी चिकन है क्या?
Yeah, exactly. Poplate,
अरे सच्ची, अरे मैं आयुष भाई बात बताता हूँ, आपने जो मेरे अंदर का बांध खोला है आज.
I know what you guys are thinking. Oh god, not another panel show. But this one, it's different. Welcome to Unpopular Opinions Live, the show where we take your most controversial, unhinged, and unpopular opinions and turn them into pure comedy gold. Okay, sit, come on, give me your opinion.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कि ये जो फाइन डाइन रेस्टोरेंट्स है ना, पूरा साल लगता है रिजर्वेशन लाने के लिए उधर. गया तुम लोग, 12 टेबल है उधर, बोलते हैं फुल है. हम लोग क्या गिरी है, फुल कैसे हो सकता है? शिवसागर ऐसा बोलता है क्या तुमको कभी फुल है? पहले बात तो फाइन डाइन से मेरे को प्रॉब्लम, ये लोग क्या करता है मालूम है, और शेफ लोग बहुत ऑफेंड होते हैं. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स लाइक ऐसा पूरा ऐसे वैसे लिख के भेजते हैं मेरे को. मैं अभी मैं क्या बोलता है कि तुम कुछ भी मत बनाओ ना, तुम शेफ है ना, तुम खाना बनाओ ना. मिसल पाव को जलेबी के साथ मिला रहा है, इतना छोटा वाटी में डाल के दे रहा है. तुम खाना बनाओ ना, तुम मतलब बनाओ ऐसे, मतलब वरण वगैरह बनाओ, कुछ तो बनाओ, दाल वगैरह बनाओ. ये क्या है कि तुम मिसल जलेबी को मिक्स कर रहा है, गुलाब जामुन को पाव के अंदर डाल रहा है, बोल रहा है क्रेजी मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ हो गया मैं. खाना बनाना चुपचाप बैठ के यार. मेरे को लगता है कि फाइन डाइनिंग इज अ स्कैम. फाइन डाइनिंग स्कैम है भाई. 10 साल है क्या इधर? चुप हो गया पब्लिक है.
I agree. I also agree. Audience, y'all can join in. Do y'all agree?
Yeah, I feel like when as an amateur cook, if you are at home, you do all this shit. You open the fridge and you're like, okay, Hakka noodles and rajma, whatever the fuck is there.
तो तू फाइन डाइन है.
Yeah.
मिशेलिन है तू.
वो करता है, स्विट्जरलैंड से आया तो मतलब it's fine dine. That's bullshit.
Yeah.
I also don't like that such a tiny portion size, right? Like they give you like this bubble, inhale the bubble.
अरे विम बार मुंह पे फेंकते हैं वो लोग.
Bro,
हाँ, झाग दे रहे खाने के लिए. तुम पागल हो गया क्या? क्राफ्ट क्लासेस में आया मैं. अरे कोई
झाग, it's for cleaning your hands like a fucking dish. It's
नो.
Yeah.
अरे नहीं कोई तो. अरे रौनक भाई सच में एक जगह पे गुलाब जामुन झाग. रीइमेजिन, यू हैव टू इमेजिन. मैं क्यों इमेजिन करूं गांडू? तू खाना बनाना, मैं इमेजिन क्यों करूं? अरे कोई तो रेस्टोरेंट है बैंड्रा में, अरे पेपर देता है, क्रेयॉन देता है, बोलते उधर ड्रॉ करो. पब्लिक गंदा ड्राइंग करके जा रहे हैं उधर से. The drawing Dick and all, dude. It's me only.
So what is the point? What is the point of this? The coloring thing. What is the point of it?
It's just to experience. मैंने बोला शिवसागर में ही गया सब. मैं गया, मेरे को वड़ा सांभर दिया, मेरे को फर्स्ट क्लास 5 वड़ा सांभर आ गया, फिल्टर कॉफी आ गया. ये क्या ड्राइंग वाइंग का प्रेशर डाल रहा है मेरे पे. और मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. पहली बात तो गंदा आर्टवर्क ऐसा वॉल के ऊपर ना, 2 ऐसा परी वरी रहा है. Sorry यार, गंदा डिमेंटेड परी. People are like, oh my god, that's so sweet यार. 1200 4 लोग का 60,000 बिल आ रहा है. 60,000 मानो EMI होता है किसी का. सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. ऊपर से और एक मैं बता, 3-4 जगह से मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम है मुंबई में, 3-4 रेस्टोरेंट से. मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. मैं
बोलना प्लीज.
नहीं है. मैं अभी क्या बोलूँ?
No, you know what's also annoying.
ये बैंड्रा वाले ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं. Oh my god, yeah, it's art, it's beyond food. मतलब क्या beyond food?
It's not Gigi, it's Gigi. Yeah. I was saying when you go to like a pan Asian restaurant and you're 2 people, you're fucking 2 people, and then you ask for like a plate of dim sums and they give you an odd number of them. You give you 3.
Yeah.
Fucking you go to Yaocha, they give you 3.
Yeah.
And then you have to, in front of everybody, cut a dim sum in half.
It's a deconstructed dim sum, you know.
नहीं, कभी तो कोई तो डिमसम 4 लोग आया. कभी कोई जानबूझ के बोलता है सिर्फ 2 ही आता है इसमें. वो अब भी डिसीजन लिया उसने. जो तुमको पहले तो 3 डिमसम रहेगा,
खा लिया ऑन द वे.
3 डिमसम रहेगा, उसमें एक गांडू चारकोल डिमसम. मैं चारकोल का चेहरे पे लगाओ, इधर भी खाऊं मैं. सर आप शेफ हो क्या? मेरे को लग रहा है ऐसे आपके इससे नहीं होना।
Who?
मुझे ऐसा
Is
लगा।
there a chef in the crowd tonight? Anyone is a chef? Anyone?
नहीं
Oh, no, okay.
Saturday night. Yeah.
भाई मैं एक रील बनाया था कोई तो रेस्टोरेंट के ऊपर भाई शेफ लोग ने मेरे को पूरा ऐसे वैसे लिख के भेजा। What do you think you are? I'm a person.
I'm a deconstructed person.
Deconstructed तो अलग कैटेगरी है भाई। पहले बात तो
Deconstructed means ingredients.
नहीं deconstructed is basically what they do is there's a kachori, they put the sabzi on the plate and the kachori ka chura they throw it on your face. So you have to construct it right there. वो दही घर से लेके आने का। पहले बात तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आते वो तीरामिसु को, ये क्या तीरामिसु इतना थप्पी लेके आता है येड़ा बनाने के लिए और इतना छोटा ऐसा चमचे से डाल के देता है। मैं मम्मी पापा गया था बीच में तो वो डाल के गया, वो जा रहा था वापस, पापा ने वापस बुलाया डालना और तू इतना थप्पी क्यों लेके आ रहा है?
Yeah.
क्यों?
Yeah, how
गुलाब
can-
जामुन में लेके आता है क्या?
How can you decide what is the correct? It's not standardized. जैसे Subway में बोल सकते हैं ना, give me extra sauce. Yeah, you can't tell them give me one more spoon. That's
वो बाल्टी थोड़ी डालता मुंह पे सब। So yeah, that's my unpopular
I
opinion.
agree. One of the things that I'd gone to one fine dining restaurant and I was hungry. I was really hungry. And he brings the food out and he's like, but sir, before I give you the food, let me explain the story.
Oh.
So we believe that the elements of, I'm like, then I had prawn chup chap and full story.
और स्टोरी के बीच में ऐसा भी रहता भूख लग रहा रहेगा ना तो ऐसा बोलने दे डालना गांडू। You can't be like that. You're like हाँ yes. ऐसा भी मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मेरा बीच में ऐसा कोई स्टोरी सुना रहा था, मैं मैडम एक काम करो मैडम सर अगर आप ये स्टोरी नहीं बोलोगे तो 500 रुपये कम होएगा क्या इसका? स्टोरी मत बोलो ना, मेरे को खाना दो ना। दिस इज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम दिस बार बोलते। और एक बार तो वो क्या बोला मालूम है, कोई तो रेस्टोरेंट बोलते एक दिन पुराना खाना दे रहे हैं हम तुमको, एक्चुअली वी लेट इट सोक। मतलब बोला शीला गंदा खाना दे रहे हो तुम, एक दिन पहले का खाना दे रहे हो हमको, तुम 800 रुपये चार्ज कर रहे हो उसका। मैं बहुत वैसे वाला है, मतलब वैल्यू फॉर मनी पिज़्ज़ा हट।
I think that you can convert anything disgusting into fine dining also. Like what's that coffee? Cola coffee? What is that? With the poop.
Kopi Luwak, yeah.
Anything that's disgusting, you can, like even old food, you can, if you put fine dining on it, you can get it to be expensive and people buy
Rustic
that
feel
shit.
to it.
Rustic feel to it.
It soaks in the spices.
Shiv Sagar should start giving stories like that only. Give you the idli Ramesh ne banaya.
Yeah.
रमेश
Ramesh वहाँ पे खुजा रहा है, deconstructing himself only.
I think you should start giving a story when you're giving the bill. Sir, मैं आपको story बताता हूँ फिर भरूंगा। मैं actually बहुत गरीब हूँ।
नहीं वो लोग ना ऐसा मेरे को लगता है कि स्टोरी सुनाने का रहेगा ना तो अपने घर का स्टोरी सुनाओ, गॉसिप दो अपने बिल्डिंग का।
Yeah.
तो क्यों भी व्हाइल ईटिंग क्यों भी अरे देखो मालूम है क्या मेरे बिल्डिंग में ना एक लड़का है, उसका ना वो शादी हो गया, उसका अफेयर चालू है। आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड, आई वांट अ स्टोरी दैट्स फनी ना। What is this story? This way makes inspired. I don't want to get inspired. You look at me. Do you think I'm a guy who's inspired by anything?
I believe more men should be allowed to wear nail polish. What was that reaction here? Yeah, she went. No, I'm
No.
serious. No, once
No.
I like wearing nail polish. Okay, I wore it twice in my life, and I've carried the color with me also. This color,
Yeah,
it's a nice.
this is nice. This is a nice color.
What's-
But you don't wear it.
No.
That's a hidden talent. Keep it hidden.
I'll tell you why men should not wear nail polish.
Why?
Fine, you can. Fine, we live in the 21st century and everyone should do whatever they want to do. But also, women are burdened by the concept of having to put nail polish, having to put this, and they're trying to wear it off. Here we are increasing. We are increasing our time, and no one's going to be doing anything then. Everyone's just going to be group. If men are allowed to be disgusting and come out disgusting, if women have accepted us as gross, then why you want to put nail polish and increase the work? So for that reason, I think
Nice. Metallic है थोड़ा.
It's a nice color. It's a nice see, I'll tell you what happened. So I wore this, and
मूवमेंट आने से मर जाते हैं कि
I don't know, not yet. So I wore this, okay, and I met my friends, okay, and there was a friend of mine, and she like, yuck, what is this? And I'm like, why? It's nail polish. Yuck, get it off your hands. And I'm like, why are you being so aggressive? No, it is only for women. I'm like, that's wrong. That's wrong. What about equality? Right? As a man, I should also be allowed what women like. Nail polish, lingerie, all
अच्छा
that.
लग
was
रहा है। Lingerie नहीं है। I have a very different opinion on lingerie, please.
yeah
Lingerie नहीं. We don't deserve such good things.
yeah
It is fine clothing.
it's deconstructed.
Deconstructed lingerie, yeah.
Yeah, you know what? You guys don't agree? Will you ever wear nail? I mean, now you did, but see, it's so pretty when you look at your hands. You're like, oh my god, it's so pretty. You get caught. Like, oh my god, it's
No,
so.
I'm not setting any expectations. I came like this only. I'm dying like this only. It's too much work. If no one expects from a man, then why you want to set a standard that men will do all this?
It's not about men will do. It's about breaking the. How do I explain it?
No, you are breaking the low standard only.
नहीं प्रॉब्लम मैं बता देना आपको कैसा है ना कि जो लेडीज लोग रहते हैं लेडीज लोग औरत लोग रहते हैं ना वो लोग अपने से आगे क्यों है बता दो वो लोग बेटर है वो लोग क्यों बोलता है वो लोग जैसा पैदा हुआ है ना तो जैसे कि नेल बढ़ना नहीं मांगता है वो लोग का देखा नेल एकदम शेप में रहता है लड़के लोग का नेल देखा लाल पीला नीला हरा इंद्र मेरा पैर का नाम इतना काला है बर्थ मार्क लगता है वो तो वो लोग को मालूम है वो चीज मालूम है वो लोग को वो सब चीज मालूम है करके वो लोग नेल पॉलिश पहनते हैं लड़के लोग का कैसा मालूम लोग मेंटेन नहीं करेंगे अभी आज नेल पॉलिश पहना है कल नेल पॉलिश के ऊपर शेजवान चट्टी गिरा है अच्छा लगेगा क्या काला हो गया नेल पॉलिश डिस्कलर्ड हो गया लड़के लोग कितना बढ़िया वो लोग पेडिक्योर करने जाते हैं उसके लिए पेडिक्योर करना पड़ा इतना सब कौन करेगा पेडिक्योर करवाया आपने बहुत मस्त लगता है करवा 1200 रुपये एक नंबर और मसाज वसाज करता है अरे crazy
no, that part in the pedicure they put the stick inside and they clean.
Where they put?
कौन सा what pedicure have you gone
They
for?
put a stick inside your nails, bro. I don't get pregnant from this. They put a stick inside the nails and they clean it. I feel like that dirt has been inside my nails for so long. I feel like a part of me has been taken away from it.
I become every time I go for pedicure ना भाई करवाओ तुम लोग क्या क्रेजी हो जाता है मतलब मसाज वसाज करते हैं मतलब मसाज क्यों कर रहा है बोलते हैं कि आपके नर्व्स को रिलैक्सेशन की जरूरत है I was like मेरे को मालूम नहीं था ऐसा सब रिलैक्स होना पड़ता है but
would you do one of those? Has anyone done those fish pedicures where you put your yeah? Is that gross? Is that
No, it's not. It's fine dining for the fish.
मच्छी लोग का प्लेसमेंट हो गया
It's a poplet pedicure.
Poplet pedicure, yeah.
My unpopular opinion is that if this is Sahil should have come up with something, and we should have just like you do on my show.
Yeah. I also agree.
I'm 35M. I was with my wife and she yelled at someone for throwing trash.
And then she yelled at me for liking girls' photos.
Okay. I'll add to this. I'll be honest. Okay, I feel like the thing with celeb life. Okay, and see, we are mid-level celebs, right? I would. People, I'm traveling in train. Someone's like, "Oh, why are you in train?" I'm like, "I don't know. Train is nice, you know."
Yeah.
And then they feel bad for me. Okay, but I feel it's
I
normal.
go with my dad out. Sometimes people just yell out, "Hey, poplet!" But dad is like, "Just do your MBA, beta. Now also you can do it. Just go ahead do your MBA." What the fuck?
That's what they are screaming.
Yeah, poplet because poplet is a very close to emotion for me.
Okay, wow.
वो मैं बोला था वो पापा के जगह poplet. That's my nickname for him.
No,
that's what I call your father.
I make videos on poplet because poplet they've stopped fucking. Arey, it's a shortage of.
Sorry. What's a poplet? Is it a small Sardar?
No.
क्या
सोमो का पब्लिक यार
What's a poplet?
इससे ज्यादा सोमो ही नहीं सकते हैं रौनक भाई बिग सोमो है आप
I don't know what a poplet.
Poplet is pomfret भाई
I'm vegetarian. You're not somo.
You know what? You still know the name.
No, I don't.
Poplet is like so poplet shortage हो गया because they are shifted to Kuwait.
Acha.
They migrated from Mumbai to Kuwait now.
Acha.
They're nice settled job
Imagine.
there.
Imagine war-struck areas are better for them.
They're like, "Inchot, idhar nahi रहने का BMC का कचरा."
Yeah, I feel like that's the thing. Like celebs, genuinely, like I've thought about it so many times. Like Shah Rukh Khan can't go like on the road and eat sev puri. You know, he can't because he'll be like,
Who's stopping him?
he can't have sev puri on the. So many people will like stop him and all of that. Yeah, like a celeb can't live like a Ranveer Singh can't dig his nose in public. You know what I mean to say?
But if he does, I would really appreciate him.
नहीं, अगर शाहरुख खान अगर जाएगा सेवपुरी खाएगा ना, मेरे को लगेगा ना शाहरुख वाला ईशान कादरी है, डुप्लीकेट है, ये डुप्लीकेट है, मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं, ये डुप्लीकेट है.
Yeah, that's what. If he does go and eat Sevpuri, no one will think it's him.
ईशान कादरी देखा कार्ड फुल, वो 99% शाहरुख खान है.
Yeah.
1% विदाउट मन्नत. वो
अरे, bro, have you seen?
नालसुपारा में रहता है वो.
Have you seen that Sanjay Dutt is doing a new movie called Aakhri Sawal, and in the poster, he looks more like Hindustani Bhau. First, Hindustani Bhau used to look like Sanjay Dutt. Now he is like, मुझे वो वाला haircut दो.
Sanjay Dutt I love any movie, right? He plays police officer from Karachi. Any movie, delivery is like Munna Bhai. Yeah, धुरंधर में delivery is like Munna Bhai. बस वो पाकिस्तान ए लाला बस ये कह रहे ए लाला बोल रहे हो सिर्फ.
Are they not seeing the irony of Sanjay Dutt playing? You all forgot the case. You all forgot that he had the guns. You all forgot that you told us that he had the guns in the movie Sanju, and then just fucking cast him to be a cop in Pakistan. Yeah.
Good opinion.
Shall I have one more opinion?
I'll give you one last.
Just fuck this opinion.
Any celeb.
My second opinion.
I'm saying, would you
My
like to
second
see?
opinion. Your parents are doctors. I hate doctors. No.
कुछ भी.
No. Okay. अच्छा नहीं. तू पहले अपना any celeb.
I'm saying, okay, last thing, just genuinely, what celeb would you like to see doing a normal activity? Like Amitabh Bachchan buying gold flake light, you know, like.
I just want Amitabh Bachchan. I just want Amitabh Bachchan to abuse people. Mother chod. Imagine getting yelled at by Amitabh Bachchan. Oh, bhosadi ka lag, are gaali do aap. Two people I want to get abused by, Amitabh Bachchan and Sachin Tendulkar. It's like, I think आप दो गाली. Please. तुमने वो मीम देखा भागा भोसड़ा. मैं दिन में 100 बार सुनता हूँ, कितना अच्छा लगता है ना. अमिताभ बच्चन अगर बोलेगा कि तुम छूती हो, हाँ हूँ मैं, अमित जी हूँ मैं.
And he just like.
I think Jaya does enough of that for him. So he's like, I guess I can't.
अमित जी से गाली.
Jaya Bachchan is another celebrity who I think is like taken to be a rude person, but she's just saying, don't put your camera on me, let me walk.
Yeah.
You're like, कैसा बात करती है?
Go on, man, she's been through a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, someone has been through so much. इतना चलता है मुझे लगता है.
Yeah.
So.
There are kids who have not even watched one Amitabh Bachchan movie now, but they're like, oh yeah, he's the guy with Rekha, right? I have a problem with doctors who चुप तेरे माँ बाप के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. नहीं. I've met his parents, they're actually very nice. But they are doctors. But I'm saying that I have a problem with doctors who get offended if you Google symptoms. That's
Of course.
what the fuck? I googled it. Yeah. I'm just supposed to wait here with my fucking leg bleeding. There's a big fucking tumor. नहीं doctor जब आएंगे तभी करूँगा. Fuck off, dude. I googled it. I have gangrene. I came to know. And then I asked you if I have gangrene. Then he says, why you know you have gangrene? I googled it. Why you googled? Abhi chute, I'm dying here. I can't Google also now. Fuck you, dude. Tell your parents I said this. बस यही बोलना था. You have ChatGPT. You have Google. You're not going to. It's a information. It's a world of information. You're calling them now.
Yeah,
huh?
I'm calling them now. Fuck it.
Let's go. Oh, let's go. Don't say the fuck you and all. Huh? I want to talk to her.
You
1 second.
Acha, copyright.
Hey, mom.
want to live 100 years.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, auntie. Hi, auntie. Everybody knows that because you're a doctor, your son will live.
Mom, you're live on stage. Ronak has to ask you something.
Hi, auntie. How's it going? How are you?
All good, all good. Not the right time to ask me anything.
No, not a good time. Okay, we can talk later also. if you want. Okay, Auntie, what I'm saying, all these people in the audience are saying that doctors should not get offended if you Google symptoms. Are they right or are they wrong?
Absolutely wrong.
Yeah, all chutias is audience.
Thank you. Very
Yeah.
simple.
Yeah, so people shouldn't be Googling symptoms, na?
No, it's also forget. I'm just joking. I'm not saying Google should treat you all that as crap. The point is, it just stresses you because
Correct.
you'll reach the last stage and everything. You'll reach cancer.
Yeah.
Gangrene and all.
You know? So it's just
Yeah.
ridiculous to do it because it's definitely just going to stress you out more than what your real thing is. You know, real diagnosis is.
Correct. I agree.
Okay, Mom.
Thanks, Auntie.
Mom, thanks a lot. Just real quick before we go. You know what paplet is paplet?
Sorry, I can't hear. What?
You know what paplet is paplet?
Pamphlet?
Paplet. You know paplet?
What is pamphlet? I don't
Paplet 400, it's a very good medicine.
Okay, I'll call you later. Chal, bye. I love you. Bye.
know. Tell me later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Auntie, don't Google what paplet is, huh?
This is why my parents don't treat you. This is a debate. We're going to have a fun debate. Before we start, guys, team disagree or agree? Choose a side.
Disagree.
Disagree.
We agree. We agree.
Agree? Okay, cool. Topic of today's debate is money does not buy happiness.
Agree.
कैसे disagree करेगा मैं?
Agree.
बताइए तो सच है.
Agree. Agree.
Both side agree है.
Guys, 500 रुपए रिफंड आ रहा है.
या ले लो रिफंड फ्रॉम इसका शो है मेरे को क्या है?
Give your money about what you think. Money doesn't buy happiness. That's what you think.
Yeah, I don't think we agreed, no?
So I said doesn't buy. Money doesn't buy.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we don't. As two of India's biggest tech bros, we can tell you that after we made Zepto, we were still angry. Yeah, we were still angry at everything. I don't know. Tell me how much money you have, bro.
I'm an intern, by the way.
Saket, you're on the wrong side for sure. Yeah, Saket, if let's say you had all the money in the world, how much money would you think would make you happy?
How much money? After some point, you are like, what are you going to do with so much money? So just enough to get a nice car and a good place with the person you want. So I don't know.
Person also in part of the.
No,
From
I
which
mean,
country?
a person you love, by the way.
वो भी कर ही देगा.
Why are buying people from a plantation? What is this?
Does the person have to love you back, or you only have to love
Love you
this
back,
person?
obviously, yeah. A good support system around you that you love, yeah.
इतना basic है रे तू.
Hey,
एकदम एक
I
keeper
just
है
want to tell you,
तू.
money
After
doesn't buy
first-
happiness. Got it, no?
हाँ?
Money doesn't buy happiness. I agree.
Auntie ले देखा है क्या?
Exactly.
After
अब
first
तो खरीद
billion,
लेगा
what
वो
do you do
लोग,
the next 5 billion?
हाँ?
After the first billion, what do you do the next 5
पहले वो
billion?
तो आने दो.
वही वो तो.
I love this.
First billion, what to do next?
I love this. Yeah, when you're an intern now, only that time you're like, so when I make my first billion, I'll just be like, Benchu, तो अभी ऑफिस क्यों जाऊँ मैं? Anyway, हाँ सर मैं कॉफी ला रहा हूँ आपके लिए. That's it.
What do y'all say? Y'all say money buys happiness, right? Y'all are team.
Of course it buys happiness भाई. मतलब पैसा चाहिए हर चीज के लिए.
What is the happy?
तू क्या करता है?
I'm into business.
Okay.
Ah.
He is happiness. He is happiness only. Only happiness. What business?
Into tea powder supply.
हाँ?
Tea powder supply.
Tea
चाय
powder.
पत्ती.
Tea powder.
पत्ती में डाल के
No,
देना है.
no.
तुम लोग वो करना चाहिए डिप बैग में थोड़ा.
नहीं डीप नहीं हम शट्टे आपको देता है.
Yeah.
बट अरे ऑफ कोर्स माय मनी बाइज हैप्पीनेस. अब मैं हर चीज पैसे का ही रहता है ना. सब पैसे का गेम है भाई. पैसे की बिना क्या दुनिया है भाई.
Okay. Yeah. You
Yeah,
you
yeah,
also
yeah.
believe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
100%.
And what is your figure? Like, what do you think is the best amount of money?
What
you
is
can
your
have?
figure?
क्या fuck you money क्या रहेगा तेरे लिए.
हाँ.
तो कि इधर ये होएगा तो पब्लिक को तो बोलेगा हर्ड. तेरे को खरीद लेगा वैसे वाला. हाँ वैसे वाला. What's a fuck you money? What's a figure like ऐसे?
fuck you money is जब सब कार्स खरीद सकते हैं.
सब कार मतलब वो ये भी अपना ओला वाला भी ई बाइक भी सब खरीदता है. लोग ई बाइक वाला जा रहा खींच रहा है, ये भी मांगते हैं.
अपने
ऐसा
रेंज
नहीं.
रोवर से निकलो, क्रेडिट कार्ड निकालो, सब लोग अपने गाड़ी से निकलो, मेरा एमएक्स पे स्वाइप करके लेने वाला हूँ सबका.
अरे वो फक यू मनी मैं बता देखो सिचुएशन देता हूँ. पहले का पिक्चर में रहता ना कि मेरे बेटी को छोड़ दो तुम, ये लो खाली चेक. तो ये चेक के आपके पास तो वो कितना अमाउंट भरना
अभी
चाहिए.
तो बात क्या, पहले तो फर्स्ट बिलियन चाहिए ना.
फर्स्ट बिलियन. यस तो फर्स्ट बिलियन वही से.
हाँ.
First billion is fuck you money. You'll go and be like, I'll buy every car, fuck everything, सब कुछ like that.
टारगेट
right?
1 ना.
Huh?
टारगेट 1 है ना वो तो.
Acha, target. And what is target 2 and 3 on the list? Have you thought about it? Because I always think about it. I genuinely am asking. I always believe. I'm like, there has to be a cap. After a point of time, same thing, right? What do you do with, like, same thing, right? You have money, you invest money, then what do you do with it? Or like Uncle Scrooge, you swim in it, you know? If you, wow, I'm so old.
मैं
No
तो
one
मेरे
remember
ऑफिस में
that.
जाएगा. I'll join my job again.
हाँ.
और मैं मेरे एमडी को रोज चिढ़ाएगा. मैं जाएगा, मैं तो ड्रिंकिंग बनाएगा, पिएगा, लेगा और अंडो. और मेरे कंपनी वही सेम कंपनी में स्टेक खरीदेगा जस्ट टू फक विद हिम. और मेरे बोर्ड मीटिंग में जा रहा है, वो लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, मैं कुछ ऐसा देख रहा तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. just chaos.
And as Siddy's boss, who is currently richer, right, than all of us, because he's the boss.
Yeah.
I can tell you that if people are plotting like this, that means money doesn't buy you happiness.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
sticking to the debate. Yeah.
Yeah.
What
Money
buys,
doesn't-
what gets you happiness?
If
What do you
if I was the boss and Siddy left me alone,
Because I thought this would be a long debate, but clearly this side is just winning only, and y'all are just
Yeah.
sadness.
No, I think is right now if you see consultants, they work almost 14 hours a day for the next 10 years. They get fuck you money, by the way. But then they lose their hair, they lose their health. And after 10 years, what's the point?
yeah.
After when you spend your whole youth,
Hey, even
And
Amitabh
then
lost his hair, but he's rich as fuck now. He doesn't
after
care.
20 years, you
Consultant है क्या
can't.
तू? अरे ताली वाली बजाने लग गया.
No, after 20 years.
But the real fuck you money belongs to that guy's son, na? Or daughter.
he won't
Whoever
enjoy himself.
inherits that
अरे
money.
स्कूल का फीस मालूम है तुमको? हाँ पर ईयर 3 लाख रुपया फीस. अगर बच्चा नहीं भी हुआ किसी का, अभी से मैं बच्चे का प्लानिंग कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को पता है कि बच्चा चाहिए कि नहीं, होगा कि नहीं. 3 लाख रुपया फीस है पर एनम, करके तो 12 घंटा काम कर रहा है. मेरे को लगता है ना कि स्कूल का फीस कम होना चाहिए और रेंट कम होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
तभी तुम लोग का डिबेट कारणीभूत होएगा.
Correct.
फिर मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, मेरे को ऐसा सीरियस लगता है, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा है इधर. मुंबई
my
का
God,
जैसा
just only.
अरे मत कर यार ये सब. मुंबई का रेंट कम हो गया, स्कूल का फीस 400-500 रुपया हो गया, खत्म. एवरीथिंग हैप्पीनेस.
Government problem.
Which school is it? Shiv
I
Sagar?
used to go. My school fees was 250 rupees and bus fees was 300 rupees. Transport
SSC school?
was more
Bus was
expensive
more.
than education.
Bus was more.
Transport was more expensive than education. Rohan Public School. Random आदमी के पीछे स्कूल रख दिया. School lack personality. अभी देखो ना, मतलब अभी देखो मैं अभी कैसा मालूम है, सब कुछ आता है. अभी समझो आप महंगे स्कूल से पढ़ते हो, जामनबाई
Jamnabai.
मानिक जी के ऊपर धीरू भाई, तो प्रेशर आता है कि अभी मैं रोहन पब्लिक स्कूल, कुछ प्रेशर ही नहीं है विंच. मेरे को कोई मैं मतलब वो पानपट्टी वाला मैं लेवल सेम है हम लोग.
Yeah.
वो भी मेरे स्कूल से ही है.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को लगता है कि एक लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड तब आएगा ना जब
Level
रेंट
playing
कम
field,
होएगा.
yeah.
रेंट कम होएगा.
So money can buy happiness if socialism.
सोशलिज्म.
Yeah.
आई एम वेरी सोशलिज्म.
Yeah.
वो सोशलिज्म है. ये क्या रे, ये बिजनेस करता है,
Yeah.
बेच अपना फैक्ट्री,
Yeah.
पैसा बांट लोगों में. नहीं
हाँ, इसको वही करना पड़ेगा. He has to
Going to pay
teabag all of
taxes.
us. Yeah.
Ronak's team, do you think Ronak's team won this debate or this argument? Wow, Saket, your enthusiasm, you yourself gave up on it. Shashin Saket,
नहीं. सारा गद्दार.
and what about Sid's team, everybody? Wow, dude.
Sorry, थोड़ा.
You're the guy with the money, by the way. So you have to buy us all happiness today.
Brother, no matter how much money you earn, you will never forget the fact that you went for fist bump event 5.
I will never forget.
It's there forever. Thank you so much, guys. Round of applause
Thank
for
you,
them.
brother.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, mere bhai.
There's way too many new skincare products that keep getting made and sold, and there's too much random shit. He's talking about charcoal on the face. Why the hell do you have to put charcoal on your face?
तंदूरी चिकन है क्या?
Yeah, exactly. Poplet, yeah.
अरे सच्ची, अरे मैं आयुष भाई बात बताता हूँ, आपने जो मेरे अंदर का बांध खोला है आज, लड़की लोग के लिए सब जोजोबा ये वो शिका कहेगा 40, हम लोग के लिए भेजे चारकोल, पत्थर रगड़े क्या हम लोग?
Too many skincare. What all skincare products do you use?
Sunscreen, moisturizer,
Sunscreen,
face wash.
moisturizer.
काफी है,
But none of these new thingies, niacinamide, thiacinamide, all these things.
hyaluronic acid.
hyaluronic yes.
Every IPL ad ever, there's some niacinamide there.
Yeah.
Hyaluronic acid there.
Yeah.
It's too much.
रात को ऐसा कोई आके ऐसा फेक रहा बोला कि ये नियानी सामान है, तो क्या?
Yeah.
नियानी सामान है,
Never Salman. क्या बोला तूने?
Say it.
मैं अटक गया न्यानमान वैसा है, न्यानवे साइड है, बट आई फील इट्स टू मच ऑफ, मेरे को लगता है सी प्रीवियसली इट वाज वेरी सिंपल कि एलोवेरा शिकाकाई के गुणों से बना हुआ लिरिल शैम्पू, आजकल वहाँ के हम तुम पहले भी होता था ना सल्फ्यूवेट ऐसा कार्बोनेट, वो तो आजकल वो सब चीज को बड़ा कैप्स में डाल के गांडी मार रहे हैं लोग, वो फॉर कार्बोनेट यार इसमें, और सब में सल्फेट फ्री, क्या मेरे को चाहिए सल्फेट यार,
अरे फ्री तो मिल रहा है.
तो मेरे को थैली में डाल के दो ना, अलग से सल्फेट थैली में डाल के दो फ्री में, मुझे थोड़ी पता चल रहा है
कड़ी पत्ता की तरह मिलता है देखो.
सल्फेट फ्री है.
But I agree. I have also fallen prey to these scams, right? I'll open Blinkit, okay? And you know, when you just type sunscreen, there are these 40,000 sunscreens with 1,000 like ingredients in it, and I have no idea what I'm putting on my face. But I'm like, chal, theek hai, it will help maybe. Like, have you used any of those masks and all of those? Those really?
Tried it once. I have no clue if it helped or not. I don't think it did.
कौन सा वाला था, कौन सा क्या था उसमें?
That's the thing. That's the problem, right?
I don't know what
You
I put.
spend like 10,000 and buy one mask, and you're like, okay, maybe this will work. But then someone tells you, of course not. You have to use it every day. That's when the next 5 billion comes to use.
नहीं मैं तो कभी कितना भी ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट यूज करूंगा ना, आई गो टू दिस अमेजिंग प्लेस कॉल्ड रमेश हेयर सलून,
Located right next to Rohan High School.
तो रमेश हेयर सलून में मैं कितना भी करूँ ना, मेरे को हमेशा बोलते हैं स्किन ड्राई हो गया है, बाल झड़ रहे हैं, कुछ भी करेगा, ही इज नेवर हैप्पी विद मी,
Yeah, even my guy.
ही इज नेवर, आई एम लाइक इंसान तो ठीक हूं ना मैं, दिक्कत है मुझे, अंदर झांक रहे हो मेरे. तो जब तक जिस दिन मैं रमेश हेयर सलून में एक बार मुझे वो करता है इस फेस स्पा करवा लो, हेयर स्पा करवा लो, फेस स्पा जिस दिन मैंने करवा लिया ना, he'll shut down the shop, he'll move back to wherever he came from.
Have you done it, by the way? Have you done any of? I had gone to a salon and he told me that detan kar lo, okay? So I'm like, sure, I'll do whatever detan. And then he pulled out that Shehnaz Hussain ka detan pack. And you see her photo, I'm like, mat karo, तो you know, like, अगर ऐसे लगने वाला है तो आप detan ले लो, मुझे ये नहीं दिखना, you know?
Yeah. At least some Ravina Tandon, Solali Bendre, 90s kids only.
Yeah.
Someone's photo should be there, like Sachin Tendulkar. ठीक है. बट मेरा प्रॉब्लम कैसा मालूम है कि अभी पहली बात तो कैसा मालूम है, पैकेजिंग में वो जो ऑर्डिनरी का पैकेज आता है 300 रुपये का पैकेजिंग में, ऐसे वाइट ब्लैक थोड़ा सा कलर वगैरह सब पर्पल वगैरह कुछ तो होना चाहिए ना, इतना खर्चा किया मैंने, एटलीस्ट रेड कवर ऐसे कुछ फ्रूटी.
Yeah. No, I agree.
Yeah.
As a guy, I think as guys in the audience, please, you all can also say, we have a very simple skincare routine, which is basically check.
लाइफ बॉय.
हटा दिया. Yeah,
Do
exactly.
you use the same soap on your balls and on your face?
नहीं यार, बॉडी वॉश यूज करता हूँ मैं आजकल. ठीक है, बॉडी वॉश.
And the jog is served later, you know.
As gulab jamun.
मैं जिंदगी में
Sonia
बढ़ना
गुलाब
चाहता हूँ,
जामुन.
आप लोग खींच रहे हो मेरे को. नहीं, बॉडी वॉश यूज करता हूँ मैं, पीएच बैलेंस.
Oh, very
मुझे
nice.
पतला बिल्कुल नहीं
3
पता.
in 1, 3 in 1.
हाँ?
Shampoo, conditioner, face
नहीं,
wash, 3 in
इतना
1.
सस्ता नहीं यार, प्लीज.
3 in 1 is best. Yeah. हाँ खुद बोल रहे हैं रमेश एस्पा रोहन हाई स्कूल, मैं इतना सस्ता नहीं है, समझा ना.
अरे मैं अभी मतलब थोड़ा बढ़ रहा हूँ जिंदगी में आगे यार.
Yeah,
Body
money
wash,
is by
pH.
happiness, you know.
अरे नहीं वो पीएच बैलेंस वाले में क्या मालूम है, ऐसा लिक्विड रहता है उसमें छोटा छोटा ऐसा ये रहता है मॉलिक्यूल्स, ऐसा बस्ट होता है वो।
क्या बात कर रहा है उसमें
अरे
मॉलिक्यूल्स है
अरे ये कुछ तो है रे।
क्या
ऐसा
बात कर रहा है bro?
कौन सा? Which brand is this? Oppenheimer.
नहीं नहीं
And there's also what is this? Gausha.
Washa.
Guasha.
वो सीमेंट डालते हैं ना वो ऐसा चेहरे पे ऐसा करने का फिर थोड़ा आइस लगा मैं बता सुबह उठेगा ना बर्फ लेने का ऐसा मसलने का
हाँ।
फिर रात को अंडर आई क्रीम आता है
हाँ वो पैच भी आता है.
हाँ तो अंडर आई क्रीम थोड़ा इधर भी डालने का इधर भी डालने का इधर भी साफ हो जाता है थोड़ा
Oh. Cheated. Yeah, put it above your eyes also. Who gives a shit?
वो यार वो मैं वो आइस वाला करता हूँ मजा आता है
अच्छा, the
Eyes.
नहीं कैसा रहता है आइस से क्या होता है मालूम है जो फेस का जो ऐसा लूजनिंग रहता है ना वो मैं रील में देखा अरे भाई मैं तीन चार influencer को follow करता
No,
हूँ
no,
अरे।
boys know all this. You put, yeah, when it gets cold, your fucking balls also become tight. So you would assume
नहीं
that if I put it here, this will
Agreed.
become tight.
क्यों जा रहे हो बार-बार?
His molecules.
It's molecules.
अरे वो पापलेट रखते रहा फ्रिज में वही आइस लेकर आएगा
Before you put it on the tawa, you defrost it like this.
That's it. We've established the new male fitness routine. Ice poplet on your face in the morning. And then
Yeah, and
moisturize
then
it.
once it gets defrosted, you put it on your feet for the pedicure.
या
Yeah.
नहीं पेडिक्योर बट यू रिक्वायर अ गाय हु कैन मसाज ये पेडिक्योर करवाओ जो नहीं करवाया
अरे
मस्त है
कितना मिला है रमेश सलोन से यार पैसा.
नहीं मैं पेडिक्योर तो आई एम अ बिग ऑन पेडिक्योर
अच्छा.
एवरी
ये
वीक
भी
वंस आई गो
रमेश salon?
हाँ नहीं पेडिक्योर के लिए वही रहता है ब्लिंग हेयर एंड नेल स्पा ब्लिंग
Blig.
ऐसे नाम होना चाहिए ब्लिंग सिल्वर ऐसा ब्लिंग
यहाँ पे बाजू में एक जगह है ब्राउ मास्टर which is only for eyebrows. No? How do you make so much? कितना यहाँ पे भाड़ा होगा? Dude?
तेरा you've seen your face.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm saying, how many Sindhis do you need for this place?
New Cuff Parade is cooler than Cuff Parade. Do you know when New Cuff Parade is?
Vadala.
Oh, wow! I
ये
didn't
वो आरसीएफ का
know.
फैक्ट्री के बाजू में
Dude, okay.
बास मारते हैं उधर शाम को प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
But
वडाला ट्रक टर्मिनल
Wow, you really know the address.
हम लोग घर लेने
अरे
वाले
वहाँ
थे
पे
उधर।
IMAX Ad Labs होता था पहले.
हाँ
Yeah.
IMAX Ad Labs अभी खत्म हो गया
खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, you sound like my mom now. I don't want to hear her here.
अरे क्या मम्मी ऐसा बात करती है ऐसे क्या है
ए बेटा पापलेट दे फ्रिज से.
नो one's mom should sound like me हम लोग का बचपन खराब है फिर
मम्मी खाने का क्या है? झाग है झाग.
No, she speaks like this about Vadala. So I've grown up in South Bombay.
Okay.
And my mom's almost ghosted me. She just refuses to answer my call after I moved to New Cuff Parade.
Okay.
So then it's a you
the-
problem.
Yeah, it's a you problem.
Why you blaming you?
परेड को बीच में लाने का जरूरत नहीं
आप
था
क्यों गए? Yeah, you can't be like, oh, I think people judge like upper volley a lot, but Mulund is Mulund, So you problem, yaar.
So you live in New Cuff Parade now.
I moved out of my parents' home, got my
Right.
own.
Right.
So New Cuff Parade is what I could afford, but it's really cool because
Yeah, good for
it's
you.
very great.
Why are you selling this concept to us?
No,
None of us
it's
want to
very
go.
cool because-
Yeah. See, I'll tell you what. I used to live in Sivri. Okay.
Where?
Sivri.
Okay.
Right. Sivri, Vadala, all of them are fucked with
That's
traffic.
old cuff parade.
It's
by the way.
not.
Yeah,
No, reaching any place from New Cuff Parade takes like 20 minutes.
yeah.
And
then-
town takes...
But town, you don't want to get out because everything is there.
No, town is too dead now.
Yeah, that's why it's better, right? That's why it's better. It's quiet. It's nothing is there. He also lives. He's been living there much longer.
The
than I
problem
have.
with this new cup parade, na ma'am, I'll tell you because I'll tell you. Recently, I had gone to Kalyan. They're writing, "This is the next bench of BKC."
Yeah.
They're calling Thane, New York. I'm like, somewhere it has to stop.
Be your own thing.
Somewhere stop. गांधी को कल पेरिस बुलाओगे तुम लोग? So please.
I was a real estate agent. I was a real estate agent. I've shown this Kanakya Paris in BKC, which is not in BKC. It's just in K. Okay. Okay. And then there's an Eiffel Tower outside, which everyone used to look at and go, wow, France. Everybody else in Kurla से ये TV tower बहुत मस्त है. इसमें तार क्यों नहीं है? ये wireless TV tower आया है. I've been to Cuff Parade long enough in traffic around New Cuff Parade to tell you that New Cuff Parade is a shit name. It should just be
Yeah,
called.
it's a shit name,
It should
but
just be called Vadale or something. Okay.
Badale Excellence.
Yeah, just be your own thing.
Yeah.
That's the problem. No.
No, I don't agree. I
Okay.
love.
Are you like from the like local representation? Like, are you like some
Yeah.
Loda saleswoman or something? Yeah. Do
Sales
you
team
work with
or what?
Loda or something? Like the way you're selling this
Yeah,
place.
you're hard selling
As
it,
if
yeah, I mean.
everyone tonight like चल चलते हैं न्यू कफ परेड.
अरे न्यू कप परेड का मैं आप लोगों को आउट ऑफ द ब्लू बताता हूँ तुम लोगों को. न्यू कप परेड का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है ना इतना फकॉल है. So there was this lady, okay, she was like she and one guy they used to make video and then
20 years back.
he used to punch the wall. तो अभी पंच किया वॉल को तो प्रूव हो गया ना. Then she used to be like, come on, tear it down. Just tear it down the wall. 20 मिनट का वीडियो है. She's like, go for it. मार रहा है. हमने कि न्यू कप परेड में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है लोगों को.
I have
You have
the
real
new
walls.
construction has real walls, so that's like a
Full
dating
sales.
story. That's like a dating
Yeah,
story.
my God, what a full sales pitch, man.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am, let's just settle this. Today, I give you money, okay? And I'm like, ye le paisa. You can move out of New Cuff Parade anywhere in the city. Would you move or would you be like, no, New Cuff Parade is still New Cuff Parade and I will stay here?
My friends would agree. I love New Cuff Parade.
She'll
no?
move to
Yeah.
Sai City World Panvel.
Sai City में Vegas है. Vegas.
Colosseum है. Sentosa का मोला है. I love that place to bits.
मैं पुणे से शो करके आ रहा हूँ. मैं वहाँ पे सुन रहा हूँ Colosseum में 300 चल रहा है. There's gladiators fighting over there.
Deshpande Colosseum.
Mama, there's pressure on you.
और तेरे दोस्त लोग ऐसा जज कर रहे हैं ना तेरे को दोस्त बदल तू.
नहीं चाहिए.
तो उठा ना ऐसा देख रहा ऐसा तो मोहम्मद उठ गया.
He's your friend?
No.
नहीं वो ग्रुप तुम लोग
Oh,
गए
no.
ना. तुम लोग जो जज किए मोहम्मद को मैं देखा हुआ है. मोहम्मद तू आज उन लोग से बात कर.
I'm very happy she said no. She's from New Cuff Parade. उसका friend बना ही नहीं है. I don't want to be friends with that.
बता.
Okay, Mohammed, go for it.
Okay, so I feel that when Steve Jobs introduced iPhone, he said that iPhone is for the people of class and people who are rich and can luxury kind of thing.
This is a direct quote?
No.
He was rambling. Steve थोड़ा दारू पी के बोला था.
अरे वो
थोड़ा
जो
iPhone-
डीलरशिप है ना एप्पल का एप्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले ने बोला था.
Electronics में वो लोग करते हैं. Full sleeve black t-shirt पहन के कुछ भी बोल देते हैं.
काका तू भी बोला.
Rajesh Aptronics. Sorry, please go for it. I'm so sorry, brother. Continue.
Yeah, so what I feel that it kind of is luxury if you buy it after some point of time when you have buttloads of money, of course.
Yeah.
But I feel now everyone has it, and it's not class when you buy it on EMI, obviously, or maybe even my Blinkit delivery guy or the Rapido guy comes, he has an iPhone. So it holds no class after one point. Everyone has it. मतलब बहुत common हो गया अभी.
What a snob, यार. मोहम्मद, I thought
the way he said
this is sweet boy. I thought full snob है यार.
Yeah.
सब लोग के पास है. छीन लो लोग से.
Yeah, it's good, yeah, if your
That's
Blinkit guy has it, yeah.
What phone do you have? Hut Garib. The way he said it, Samsung.
It's not unpopular opinions, it's just people projecting their insecurities.
No. Okay. No, I agree. To some extent, I agree. Like, I remember when, like, see, I've grown up in a time without mobile phones, and then we got mobile. I'm that generation where you used to have simple Nokia phones, right?
6600.
हाँ, वो pregnant phone.
दिमाग फट गया था वो बीच में जॉयस्टिक में. यार 6600 इतना बड़ा कैमरा वहाँ के हम लोग जूम करते थे दूसरे घर पे.
लोग करते थे zoom.
मैं बोला ना only me. इतना बड़ा फोन इतना बड़ा कैमरा इतना बड़ा.
So phones were innovative, yes. Okay. Then iPhone came. iPhone became status symbol. Fair enough. There was once a time where even I had a really shitty phone. I had a really like shitty, like one of those flip phones. And I saw someone hold and like some random person on the road have an iPhone. And I was also like, hey, what is this? Then it's not luxury anymore. I will give you, I agree sometimes. But now I believe everyone should have access to whatever phone they want. That's my belief now. I don't believe in status symbols. I believe, in fact, the shittier the phone, that's a status symbol.
Agreed.
Yeah? Agree?
Infinix.
Yeah.
Infinix 7 कैमरा वाला ऐसा
हाँ.
टक 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 7 के शेप में कैमरा है. मेरे को अच्छा रेडमी में लगता अच्छा लगता है ऐसा 8 कैमरा 9 कैमरा मेरे को लगता है सिर्फ कैमरा ही दे देगा तुमको.
आपके पास कौन सा
कैमरा में सिम कार्ड डालना पड़ेगा.
आपका फोन?
I have a Nokia. I have a iPhone 13 Ultra Pro Max.
बड़ा हो गया आदमी.
वन लाइनर आई फील है कि हर चलने वाली रेंगने वाली चीज़ खाने के लिए नहीं होती है. बेसिकली मैं इंडिया के बाहर एक ही जगह गया, गॉन टू थाईलैंड, एंड वहाँ पे आप जब भी यू गो आउट ऑन स्ट्रीट्स यू सी जितनी प्रजाति हमने स्कूल में पढ़ी हैं, ये होती हैं, क्रिकेट्स हैं, सब वहाँ पे लाइन में लगे होते हैं. रोस्टेड, फ्राइड, तले हुए, एवरीथिंग यू सी. कि हर चीज़ खाने वाली नहीं होती है. सॉरी.
आप 1 घंटे से रुके थे कि मैं पिक करूंगा. हम लोग इतना चिल्ला के बुलाया सर. एक बार बोला कि मैं बीच में पेस्ट कंट्रोल मतलब वो लोग खा रहे डायरेक्ट पेस्ट कंट्रोल मारने का.
आपको हैकल नहीं कर सकते ना, मेरे को कर रेस ले आते ही.
So you believe that only certain animals should be eaten, on like only eat chicken, only eat like chicken. India में ऐसा.
Draw a line at which animals.
Almost there. I am essentially a vegetarian. Occasionally एक आध बार मैं अंडे वगैरह खा लेता हूँ. But अब सब कुछ मत खाओ ना. I mean there is this video, I don't know आपने देखी कि नहीं देखी. It's called jumping shrimps or something.
Yeah.
तो वो पूरा प्लास्टिक का वो जो बॉक्स लेते हैं, उसके अंदर सैलेड वैलेड विनेगर और सब डालते हैं. Then वो उछलती हुई मछलियाँ उसके अंदर डाल देते हैं यार. And they're jumping in there and they jump in your mouth.
It's like a deconstructed kachori. मेरा कलर पेंसिल खत्म हो गया प्लीज.
जंपिंग समोसा गौरव स्वीट्स मिर्ची उर्ची वाला.
Interestingly, we're talking about papas, right? Fine dining की बात हो रही थी यहाँ पे. So a friend of mine recently paid bomb amount of money to eat ants in Mumbai. Fried ants or roasted, I don't know. It was
इधर डाला सोपा ना.
New cover.
Where was this? Tell na.
I think papas. I'm not sure. I don't want to.
I don't think they give ants. I think.
अरे वो ऐसे वो साफ की नहीं किया रहेगा. साफ नहीं किया, वो गलती से खाया, वो मेन्यू में नहीं था. अरे
नहीं उसने अगली स्टोरी में बिल डाला था ना उसका पूरा वहाँ पे.
He's ordered the food and then he's dropped the food on the floor. मैं रुका अपने मील के लिए.
पेस्ट कंट्रोल होना चाहिए था.
So okay, where do you draw the line in like if like let's say you want, see, I believe if you're going to a new country you should experience the culture of the new country. If you're going to, let's say hypothetically you're going to Thailand, try a scorpion.
तूने क्या ट्राई किया मतलब?
मैंने नहीं खाया. I'm just saying I believe. I'll tell you what I've had. I've had snake wine in Taiwan.
Snake wine.
Snake wine. They put a snake in a bottle of wine and then the snake lies there for like months and years.
Is that an alive snake or?
No, it's a dead snake. It's a dead
snake.
snake.
Not anymore.
Yeah, not alive anymore, of course.
And then you have a sip of it.
Yeah, a lot of
you
wine
should try
actually.
it.
ये तो किया वियतनाम में ट्राई किया मैं.
Or
Snake wine.
it's important you try like camel in Dubai. You can eat camel.
You can smoke in US. Camel cigarettes you can.
I know, but I'm saying like you can push the boundaries of your travel experiences. Is what I believe.
Where will you draw the line? कि इस point के बाद चलो octopus कई लोग खा लेते हैं, but ये चीज़ मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाऊंगा.
ऑक्टोपस
What is your thing?
ऑक्टोपस भी नहीं खा सकते यार. ऑक्टोपस इतना उसको इतना दिमाग है, काय को खा रहे हैं उसको. ऑक्टोपस को ऐसा दिल
बात क्या कर रहे हैं ऑक्टोपस के साथ? like सलाम साहब मत खा मुझे. वे ऑक्टोपस is talking to you.
मेरे को डर लगेगा कि वो लाइव ऑक्टोपस वगैरह खाएगा जो नाक वाक में घुस गया तो
Cleansing हो जाएगा of the system.
Wait, खाने के पहले के खाने के बाद.
अरे नहीं, मैं I saw it in a movie where he's having a live octopus. I'm like, I think that is well. Octopus fry will you have?
Live octopus कोई नहीं खा रहा है.
खाते
No,
हैं
people eat
live
dip,
octopus.
sauce
Yeah,
में
yeah,
dip करते
yeah.
हैं.
हाँ, चटनी के साथ
Sauce
देते
with
हो.
your
Crazy.
tongue and everything, yeah.
Oh man, yeah.
It's sensory, very sensory it is. मैं ऑक्टोपस को बोलेगा मालिश कर थोड़ा, इतना हाथ वाथ है तो पीछे डाल,
टच कर
बड़ा
Yeah,
octopus को
yeah, that fucking.
I also massage the octopus a little. I'm like, तू थोड़ा मेरा पीठ पूजा, मैं तेरा पीठ पूजाता हूँ. Something of that sorts. But I totally agree. मेरा full I agree with you because ज़्यादा हो जाता है. मेरे को लगता है कि ये इंसेक्ट के मार्केट में नहीं जाना चाहिए. वैसे भी वो लोग का लाइफ कितना कैसा ही तो है. वो जो तल के वल के खा रहे हैं वो लोग आंडू, वैसे 5 दिन के लिए हम लोग पैदा होते हैं. तुम तल के वल के खा रहे हो. तुम देखा मेरे को मैं ऐसा नहीं, मैं आई एम नॉट इन सपोर्ट फॉर कॉकरोचेस, बट कॉकरोच लोग को देखा रात को बाहर निकले गांठ फटी में यार, उसको तुम तल रहे हैं.
तूने क्या क्या खाया?
हाँ?
तूने क्या क्या खाया?
मैं अपना चिकन मटन.
What's the weirdest thing you've eaten? Yeah. What's the weirdest thing you've eaten?
When I was very small, I think I had rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
क्या मैजिक शो पे गया था क्या?
बाद में कबाब नहीं, लैम भी खाया मैंने.
Lamb. I heard lab. What the fuck?
This is where she draws the line.
Lamb. Like lamb.
Lamb.
Labrador, na? That's where she draws the line.
Labrador नहीं है. वो कुत्ता they have dogs also.
They do eat
China.
dogs. People eat dogs. Yeah. So, I believe you should not judge a culture. It's as simple as that. If for you, there would be someone who could be judging you for eating tofu, right? For them, tofu is disgusting. For you, it's food and sustenance.
और टोफू भी हम लोग ईस्ट से ही लाए हैं ना?
हाँ, I know.
तो ये भी ईस्ट को ही जज कर रहा है.
I'm not judging. I'm just saying that every culture, whatever. So there's this guy on YouTube. His name is Best Ever Food Review Show. Does anyone know? Okay. He goes and he eats everything. And at no point of time have I ever seen him go, yeah, you know, like that sort of.
अरे
तो वो नहीं कर रहा तो हम लोग को भी नहीं कर रहा.
उसका काम है. अभी पब्लिक है ना, वो सब एंथनी बोर्डेन का शेयर करते हैं. ईट एवरीथिंग, एक्सपीरियंस एवरीथिंग, या लाइफ इज दिस लाइफ. मैंने बोला उसका काम है वो. उसका वो तो काम है. मेरे को नहीं खाने का सब ना यार. एंथनी बोर्डेन भाई तुम स्मार्ट दिखता तो मैं सब खाओगे तुम्हारे मानने पर. एंथनी बोर्डेन का आता ना रील्स, ईट एवरीथिंग, योर लाइफ इज. बोले हाँ ठीक है एंथनी बोर्डेन भाई, बट ठीक है आप बहुत अच्छे.
एंथनी बोर्डेन छी आज क्या खाना पड़ रहा है.
एंथनी बोर्डेन ने पड़वल नहीं खाया ना. अगर पड़वल खाएगा वो, अब तुरई खाएगा वो, तो पता चलेगा उनको कि लाइफ का इतना खराब एक्सपीरियंस है.
करेक्ट.
I draw the line on तुरई and पड़वल.
Yeah.
तुरई and पड़वल should be banned. गवारी का सब्जी
Hi there, thank you so much for watching the episode. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, please. But most importantly, leave a positive comment for the algorithm and hype this video up. The next episode of Unpopular Opinions drops in 2 weeks. We've got an insane panel and an insane episode coming out. And also, if you want to be part of the show, then tickets to upcoming shows are in the comments below. Come for the show. Give us your most controversial, unhinged opinions. And well, let's have fun together. Till next time, keep watching. Bye-bye.